Good day. Let's discuss the lesson 2 about the final action for a curriculum material. Let us view and value the picture of the curriculum development for teachers. This include the 7 R's of quality curriculum material, which collectively focus on the topics to be covered, skills to be mastered, facts to be learned, and outcomes to be achieved. These are the aspects of quality curriculum material. First, rigorous, which the students need to demonstrate a high level of understanding and thinking. A curriculum material is rigorous if it provides students opportunities to develop higher order thinking skills, decision making, and deep understanding. It also points the direction for learning but opens for students' understanding beyond a minimal outcome. Second is real. A curriculum material is real if it builds understanding to engage in real-life activities related to becoming teachers. Are the topics significant or important to the title of the students? How do topics interest their lives as students and as future teachers? Now let's proceed to number 3, requires independence. A curriculum material requires independence if the students are given opportunities to make appropriate choices, like who to interview or what class to observe and where to do it. This will make students engage in deep learning and also allow students to learn from their mistakes. Next is rich in thinking. A curriculum material is rich in thinking if it asks students more than just memorizations or repetition. The curriculum material makes students to observation, ask questions, consider alternatives, evaluate outcomes, reflect on evidence. Next, let's proceed to revealing. A quality curriculum materials is revealing if it seeks to show what the students to do not understand, but how they understand it. Thus, the curriculum materials reveal what they understand from their answers in the activities, self-check, and self-reflection. Next, let's discuss the rewarding. A quality material is rewarding if the students can articulate what they are learning, if they can also share clearly the result of their individual and group task. This indicative of the student's effort, which is directed toward a well-defined learning goal. The sense of purpose is shown in their work as the intrinsic rewards they gain. In short, they are happy with what they are doing. Lastly, the reflective. It makes students more reflective in the learning process that contributes to better performance. It means students think about what they are learning, understand their strengths and weaknesses, and learn from their experience, which help them improve and perform better in class. So these are the 7 R's of the quality curriculum materials. Thank you for listening.